Have you noticed you become forgetful? Does it happen multiple times when you suddenly lose common words when expressing yourself? The forgetfulness indicates brain aging and can happen to any age group, especially after age 40. But the root cause is not your brain. It's the reduced kidney essence due to kidney qi deficiency. Check out this custom Qigong routine. Dantian breathing 10 times. Gripping fingers 100 times. Rotating waist 60 times. Lower squatting 12 times. Forward bending 3 times. What are the benefits of this custom routine? It can help strengthen your heart, lungs, and kidney function, enhance your immunity, reduce back pain and fatigue, improve overall bodily health, and prevent dementia. To access this Qigong routine on the Onenergy Qigong app, use the code on the screen. Practice this routine twice daily. You will notice a significant improvement in your brain function and overall health.